Welcome to another episode of Making It Keto, and today we're making a buffalo chicken dip. Y'all, this is going to be awesome, nice and cheesy dip. You're going to love it. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Alright guys, but before we get started, I want to go ahead and talk about my last video, the keto chicken pot pies. Guys, if you haven't tried this recipe out, please try it out. Go check out the video, share, like, and subscribe, guys. I'm catching trouble with YouTube algorithm picking me up and getting my video out to as much people that it can have value to. So if you can please help me push the channel, guys. So far we're getting there, but I think somehow YouTube is not showing my video to as much people as it possibly can that's searching for keto recipes. So if you could do me a favor, guys, just like, please share, and also leave comments if you guys got things that you don't like, or even things that you like, or things you want me to turn keto. Feel free to leave a comment in the bottom. Those things also help the YouTube algorithm pick me up to get my video out to more people, so I can continue to give these recipes because I tell you guys, I really truly believe keto, we can make everything keto, and that's the reason for my channel. And yeah guys, so if you can do that, I would really appreciate it. Thank you. All right, let's get started. So what we're gonna start with is a whole chicken. So guys, I just used the chicken from my neighborhood supermarket. Actually, it was a leftover chicken. So any kind of leftover chicken, you can use turkey, whatever you want to do to make this work. We're going to be cutting it down because we're going to use it as a dip. So you don't want to have big chunks in there because, like I said, it's going to be a dip. So if you're going to be dipping like chips or any kind of vegetables or whatever you're going to use to dip inside, you don't want big chunks. So we're going to start by breaking everything down into small pieces, just like you see I have right here. All right, and once we got that going, we're going to go ahead and add this into a large bowl. So now, guys, we're going to put the actual dip together. So make sure you have a large enough bowl to put all your ingredients in. All right, so we're going to go ahead and start by adding in our sour cream. And we're going to go ahead and add in 2 cups of cheddar cheese. You can use mozzarella. It'll be completely up to you. Either will work. I'll also be linking everything that I use and the amounts in the description box below, guys, because I normally don't call out the amounts. So check that out for the exact amount. Also, we're going to go ahead and add in some Texas Pete hot sauce. So guys, you can add in sriracha or whatever you like to spice it up a little. I just like the Texas Pete. Then I went ahead and add in a few green onions. This is completely optional. You can skip this. And then I added in some seasoning. Guys, I use this Longhorn seasoning that I got from Walmart, but you can use the seasoning you want. And that's the good thing, guys. You can use kind of what you want in this recipe because you can change the flavors up the way that you want it. Now we're going to go ahead and add in our sour cream. And like I said, guys, the exact amount will be in the bottom. And I also added some Parmesan cheese. Now we're going to go ahead and give this a mix, guys. So while we're doing this, let's make sure we get everything mixed up. So as you dip it into the dip, you get to taste everything. So let's give it a real good mix. All right, once we got everything all mixed up, we're going to put out a cast iron pan. I believe this is an 8-inch I have. It might be a 9-inch. And we're going to spread our dip evenly through the cast iron pan, because we're going to be baking this in the oven. So we're going to spread everything evenly, and then we're going to crush up some pork rind, guys, for like a crust, and we're going to layer that on the top. And then we're going to add on a little bit of green onions, and actually we're going to add on the top maybe a little bit more seasoning just for looks and also for taste, but mostly for looks. And also, guys, we'll be baking this in a 425-degree oven for approximately 45 minutes, guys. You want the center of it to be about 165. Once you hit that target, you're done. Now, while this is in the oven, we're going to make a beautiful ranch sauce that's going to go on the top of it, and you guys are going to love this. All right, so let's get started with the dressing, or this ranch dressing we're going to be making. So we're going to start with our sour cream. And then we're going to go ahead and add in our meal. Guys, you can use any meal you want. I'm using the avocado oil based meal, but the regular meal will suffice. We're going to go ahead and add in our almond milk and our lemon juice. And we're also going to add into this mixture our chives, our dill, and we're going to add in garlic paste. We're also going to add in some parmesan cheese, and we're going to be adding in salt and pepper to taste. All right, and once we got everything in the bowl, we're going to go ahead and give everything a good mix. Also, I would highly suggest when you're mixing this up to give it a taste test to make sure you have enough salt. If anything tastes like it's missing, you can add more at this point. So guys, now that our sauce is done, our dip is finished. And when it came out the oven, guys, this is what it looked like. Alright guys, that's it for the video. I hope you like it. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. God bless. Y'all know what we're doing here. We're making keto easy by making everything keto. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.